Domino's Pizza India may pull business from Zomato and SoftBank-backed Swiggy if their commissions rise further. Domino's and Dunkin donut operator Jubilant FoodWorks filed a statement to the Competition Commission of India, which is investigating Zomato and Swiggy. Jubilant has 1,600 branded restaurants, including 1,567 Domino's and 28 Dunkin's outlets. 26 to 27% of Jubilant's sales in India came through online platforms, including its mobile apps and websites. Jubilant claimed in a July 19 letter to the CCI that it may shift business from online restaurant platforms to in-house ordering. Food delivery platforms have become popular in India because of smartphones and discounts. Many restaurants in India accused Zomato and Swiggy of hurting their business. The National Restaurants Association of India complained to the CCI about Zomato and Swiggy's 20 to 30% commissions. Zomato informed the CCI before the investigation that restaurant payments don't affect app listings. According to the watchdog's first order, Swiggy's commission are based on restaurants' popularity or order volume.